So here we have 6 terms, right? I have an x term, I have a y term, and I have a constant. So I combine x and x, y and y, and then my constant. So I'll rewrite this as 5x plus 3x, then 6y plus 2y plus 7 minus 2. So 5x plus 3x is 8x, then 8y,
and then 5.
a positive 5. Awesome.